I extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Secretary, Chartered Accountant, Shri J.C. Prakash sir. Welcome you sir. Events.
Day. Let me have the honor of greeting our principal on behalf of all the students who took part in the Gujarat program, and the Swamiji from Gujarat, Dr. Swami Dharmabandhu, was here in Chennai last week, and he wished that Sindhi College should be honored for their participation and continuous patronage for that event. It is remarkable